This is the F-150 Lightning, the new EV Lightning, and it's pretty awesome. I'm David. I'm a car person as long as I can remember. This is the F-150 Lightning. According to all the sites I'm on, this might have been the first Platinum delivered to the tri-state area. It might have been one of the first, period. I think they delivered maybe 10,000 so far across the entire country of all trims. May 19, 2021, they had the reveal, and 30 minutes later you could reserve online. So I just rushed as fast as I could, as though it was like sneakers or something. It's like a Christmas day when the truck comes. When I picked this truck up, I was still a diesel guy. 30 seconds in, I started having like a little bit of sadness inside, because I'm like, if you're a regular guy, and once they start with the 8-foot bed on these, you really can't justify a gas truck anymore. Speed-wise, it's super fast. It does 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, it says. It feels like you're doing 0 to 60 faster than that. It's like a party trick, just if someone's in the car to just gun it. This one is a higher trim. It's a little more luxury than I would get for a work truck anyway. For a tow truck, it's small. It has a 5.5-foot bed. I don't think that's the market they were going after. The most popular argument of every diesel guy online, every guy that doesn't want EVs to be a thing, they're like, oh, cool truck, but how far does it tow? If you're towing, it's just not the truck for you. The potholes are a little scary, to be honest, because I've never driven a truck with this thin tire. It drives so smooth you wouldn't know. That's the scary part. It feels like you're on a cloud. Staten Island has a lot of the guys with the big trucks, but they're looking at me like, oh, it's an EV, like I'm the enemy. But you see them looking like it's kind of cool. Most people should enjoy this truck and get great use out of it. My farthest normal trip is back and forth to my parents' house. It's like 40 miles, 45 miles each way, so that's 90. I have gone back and forth on this charge 2 times, and I'm still on the same charge. I don't personally know anyone on Staten Island that couldn't use an EV right now. People are looking at it like this radically different thing. It's just, I could get the 6-cylinder, I could get the 8-cylinder, or I could get the electric. It's just another trim. It was worth it, absolutely worth it for me.